Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre this Monday. After a hot and dry weekend over the northern parts of the country, it's still hot today in Gauteng. Widespread rain is expected in the Eastern Cape once again after good rains occurred over the weekend, and it's dry and blustery along the west coast, at least for the next couple of days. The western and northern interior had a clear start to the day, but it was cloudy to begin with over the eastern half of the Western Cape and over the central parts of South Africa. Cloudy and wet conditions already reported over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and we have an 80% chance of showers and thunder showers in this region today as an upper air trough moves eastwards. Isolated thunderstorms could develop against the eastern escarpment and over the eastern Highveld and Mpumalanga. There's also a 40% chance of storms on the border of northwest, the Northern Cape and Free State, but rain will start to clear from the west in the Western Cape. The onshore circulation responsible for the cloudy, wet and cooler weather in the southeast will spread eastwards towards KZN overnight. In the meantime, we're expecting clearance over the Western Free State while it becomes partly cloudy over Gauteng. Let's take a look at the watches and warnings issued by the South African Weather Service. There's a high fire danger warning for the southwestern Cape where it's very windy at the moment. There's also a high fire danger warning for the western part of northwest, and heavy rainfall is possible over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern half of the Eastern Cape for the rest of today. An onshore circulation persists along the southern and eastern coastline with fresh northwesterlies in Kimberley, Bloemfontein and De Aar, fresh southeasterly winds in Beaufort West and Sutherland and Cape Town with a strong southerly wind of 40 km per hour. Mid-20s in the mother city today, 30 degrees in Vredendal, much cooler though over the Eastern Cape with a high of 19 in Graafrenet, still hot and humid in KwaZulu-Natal with a maximum of 33 degrees in Ladysmith, 33 for Mahikeng as well, and in Pretoria a very hot day with a high of 34. For Johannesburg, we're expecting significantly cooler conditions tomorrow with a high of 29. Thunderstorms return to the forecast, scattered thunder showers towards the middle of the week, and then a clear start to the weekend on Saturday. On Tuesday, we're expecting warmer conditions over the western parts of the country, much cooler in KwaZulu-Natal with a good likelihood of rainfall, and by Wednesday it becomes hot again in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.